I'm just tired of the people, and I'm fine with rolling solo. So get out. Get out the way, get out. Get out the way, get out. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Just get out the way, get out. Get out the way, get out. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way.
They call it creeping, I said loving, it's the only way for me. Filling out papers, signing waivers, but I stand outside its reach. I name your mother and your father and the first pet that you keep. I know your favorite place to dine at when your check comes in each week. I know you do your wash on Sundays and you separate your whites, and that your car needs a new tire, 'cause last week I laid those spikes. I've got a million Polaroids with all the dates penned in red ink. I sneak a walkie-talkie in your room to listen to you sleep. You just don't know it yet, but you love me and I love you the same. One day we'll have a pretty wedding and I'll be your everything. We'll be together, yes, forever. We will never ever part. Oh, you don't know it yet, but baby, I've already got your heart.
Some call it stalking, I say walking just extremely close behind. I'm sure if I sat down and asked you, well, you really wouldn't mind. You've got those eyes that drive me crazy, and I've got eyes to watch you sleep. I bought a packed lunch and some coffee for my steak out in your tree outside your house. Gotta be as quiet as a mouse, or else you'll call the police and I'll get done for something stupid like disturbance of the peace. And piece by piece I am collecting all the things